in 6 hours. 450 miles to go. 450 miles in 6 hours. Any point on this circle could be their final destination. 35 miles per hour. Stopping for gas. Yeah. Not sure. Stop it one time. This can't happen fast enough. This one you've already done irreparable damage. Snowfield made the video on the source and say it's somewhere between Great Falls and Helena. Sunrise. From there, witness said that they had 450 miles to get to where they're going. Seattle, London, someday Denver. And yes, what? The president is speaking this afternoon. 3 o'clock. 6 hours from the video. Going on to the president.
Good job activating the reflections and flares.
Audio markers in the church construction traffic.
The rooms on themselves, they were in large space.
What to do with camera on these pictures?
We bought quality light at the time. Pretty much they were
Contact.
Health, eyes, and Burroughs were able to baseline on footage from his trials, getting more clarity there. Okay, there. The eye. Yeah, blink rate's up here versus the pattern. He committed suicide last night at a suspect motel, 30 miles outside from his home in Blackwood, Montana.
Not only else I know you're I took advantage of you. Your commitment to help others. Put you in place with every doctor's surgery. Did you say he sounds sincere when he's talking to her as opposed to when he's talking about the crimes?
I guess you could say that.
I did say that. Would you say that?
That's his plan.
No.
Is Brad Bellick still here in the infirmary?
Yeah, why?
You must be loving this. I didn't drive all this way to gloat. Well, then what the hell you come here for? First, I really gotta tip my cap to you. I managed to drop beat in the convicts more often than my own staff. Well, thanks for the attaboy, but as you can see, the correctional system doesn't share your gratitude. I won't take much of your time, but I do have a few questions.
Pleasure was all ours, Patty Pitt.
Oh, what are these?
Oh, I'm gonna do some renovations. I was just tapping the sheetrock looking for the stud.
Looks so.
No, I can't go back there.
Come on.
No!
Like you kept a cool head this whole time. Don't get yourself killed now.
You know what, listen to me. I'm a wanted man, okay? The police show up here, they'll take me back to prison, and you know what, that's fine. But my little girl right here, she's sick, and she's gonna be left alone. And I can't let that happen. So can you please let us go? Please. Okay. Go on. Oh, Sarah. About before. Me too.